You can probably hear the wind, but it is picking up. I'm not sure if the storm that's here right now is part of the hurricane, but it is cloudy and it is going to rain today, but we'll see. We'll see how progressively worse this gets today. And this is my motorcycle in the house. We only have, it's not even a house, it's a 2-bedroom apartment. We only have so much space, so mine is right there. As long as that sliding glass window doesn't get damaged, we're good. The good news is there's a screened-in porch right outside. So, I've got 2 barriers, and if it comes in here anyway, I'm not worried about my bike, I'm worried about my life, so woohoo! Hello, Internet. You'll see me, or hear from me some other day. Bye! Alrighty guys, it is Sunday. Raining, but this was already kind of halfway full of water prior to the storm coming in, but I just wanted to see the level it's at now and compare it to when this is all said and done. And there's a duck. Okay, this big hole, drainage hole, I want to say it was empty earlier. I didn't actually check, but it's full of water now. We'll see later how much more full it gets. So this is our reference point. The rain has started and it is Sunday, September 10th. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Got some water in the road, but it does that on a normal rainy day anyway, so I'm not too concerned. The fun thing is there's normally a motorcycle way over there, and there's normally 2 motorcycles right there by that truck, and they're gone. I don't know if they put them inside their apartments like us, or if they put them in storage somewhere else. And this is my umbrella. It was windy. Thought I could show you, but the wind stopped. It's gusting. It's not too strong, but it's getting there. Alrighty, we're back. Still windy. The pondy thing has filled up a little bit more. Retention pond is filled some more. It's not overfilling yet, but over there is where it'll fill into the larger basin. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of handfuls of hours. Hello, ducky. Alrighty. Bye, Internet. Quack, quack. Bop. The wind is coming and going, but this is the tree that I'm concerned about. We normally park right in front of it. The parking space there is not very big, so the motorcycles fit perfectly. And there's already been some branches fall out of it. So, we'll see if this tree makes it through the night. I hope so. Oops, I dropped my phone. Anyway, update. It is, what, 3 o'clock? 4 o'clock? I don't know what time it is.
It's like 4:30.
It's 4:30-ish on Sunday. It's been raining on and off. Losing some debris from trees. And that's about it. Nothing crazy yet. We'll see what happens later tonight. It's raining a lot. Got puddles. and rain. The rain has begun. I don't know how much longer it'll rain for, but it is raining. Let's see how worse it gets. Alright guys, see you later. It's happening! The rain has picked up. Standing water is happening. It's windy and raining. Let's see if the tree is still alive. Oh, it's wet. Oh, the tree is living. That looks kind of cool.
Yeah, it does look real.
More water creeping up the doorsteps. Okay.
Yeah, the wind.
Okay. By candlelight, we have become. What are you doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna grab that. I just didn't know where the one was. Okay. Here we go. Here's some light. It is Monday, September 11th, and the storm has passed Gainesville. This is a motorcycle in a house, and another motorcycle in an apartment. I mean, Moto Diaries, daylight, no power, day 1. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 11:30 in the morning.
10:38.
10:38 in the morning.
The storm passed us, and then we lose
Yeah,
power.
we just lost power now.
That
After
sense.
everything was over. Just enjoy my beautiful motorcycle. There is tree where there should be grass. This is where we normally park our motorcycles. And now it is tree. From that giant tree. Okay. Remember where I showed you that pond? Oh shoot. There's no road here anymore. I get as close as I can. Oh, but yeah, the apartments over there are definitely got some water in there.
And look at the car. It's like it's up to the wheel.
Yeah, here, hold the umbrella real quick. So, that car was on level ground, and now there's water basically on the bottom of it. That car is faring a little better. And there's a truck for reference. Oh, this is a Miata.
Not getting in the cab.
Yeah, it sits very low. It looks like it might be okay, but the engine is definitely in there.
Yeah.
Oh, and that Camaro. Oh, and that other car. Oh god. This is water.
Yeah.
Like standing water. I can't even get over there to the other pond to show you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This whole road's just gone.
But the other pond, if you can see straight through those trees, is definitely filled up. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let me see if I can see that apartment door.
Just barely. It looks like
They have plastic on there, yeah. Oh man. It's the only door I can really see from the side, but that is definitely not good. Alright, emergency crews are coming into our neighborhood for some reason. It's not for my safety. I'm safe. Even though I probably shouldn't be out here wandering around. But something's going down. Oh god, it's windy. Take cover, Weetie!
Here, I'll hold the umbrella.
Oh, look. Okay,
Here,
you
let's
coming?
keep on stepping here.
Check out that tree. Moving. Oh. Whoa, look at that.
Of course, when you point the camera,
Yeah.
it basically stops.
Okay, there it goes.
Yeah.
It's hard to see on film, but in person,
Yeah, it's
that
moving
tree
around.
is moving a lot.
Boogieing.
Oh. Oh goodness.
This umbrella's gonna get folded outward.
Yeah.
Ah.
Ow, my eyeball.
Sorry.
Wow, poor Miata. Alrighty. Big truck tackles the water. Skirting the edge as close as he can get. The middle of the road has got a really big divot. Positives having a truck.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. That's how he's doing. Alright. My apartments have officially become a pond. Come over across the street. Alright guys, I showed you this hole earlier. I'll have to show you what it looked like then and what it looks like now. It's all the way full. There used to be a hole here. Now it's all water. Oh my goodness.
You got swimming in this.
Yeah. All yeah. Alright, there's a giant tree blocking one of the exits. There's one more exit, but aside from the water, I can't even get out. But this tree fell down. Luckily, no cars were parked directly in the path of the tree.
Yeah, that was a stroke of luck.
That other car back there, it might got hit by a little bit of branches.
Yeah.
Alright, this is another area. Notice the beware of alligator signs. Those were planted in a strip of land, which is now all the way underwater. Into the road. Still walking around. Lots of debris. We gotta go inside and see how high the pool is. That car parked in the grass. I guess they don't want to be under these trees for a good reason. The pool survived, and the water just barely came to this door. Yay! I didn't think this was that bad until we stepped outside. You know?
I read commentary.
So, this is what not to do when it's floods. Look at the ground. Show them the entire road is underwater.
Yeah, that's easily waist deep. Easily. And this guy decided to try it, and he came through full force. That's as far as it got.
Yeah.
That's as far as it got. Not the best decision maker.
I guess the cop just had to make sure he was alive.
Yeah, as long as he's alive, we're good. That is adorable. Oh, they're being tugged. Okay. I was like, is it motorized? What's happening?